In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the error Safari can't connect to iCloud Private Relay on iPhone or iPad. So if you're getting this error on Safari, go to Settings on your device and select your Apple account at the top. Now what you want to do is scroll down and select the iCloud option, and then scroll down again to where it says iCloud Plus Features and select Private Relay. Now what you want to do is turn Private Relay off fully. And once you've done that, wait about 60 seconds and turn it back on, and then try and use Safari to see if you're still getting the error. Now, if you still are, come back here and turn it off, and then press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons, and then you want to turn your iPhone or iPad off fully and turn it back on and try and see if it works. Now, if you're still experiencing errors, you could always download a different web browser and use that, because it could be an Apple outage, in which case you'll just have to wait before it works again. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.